Hi friends, this is yours Rubino once again. Hope you all are doing well and at the same time learning something new each and every day. Welcome once again to all my friends, reading enthusiasts, businessmen, laymen, students, moms and dads, and everyone. Today we would be looking into one of the most underrated but the most important things in life, setting up a goal in life, setting up a life goal. So that's the reason that so many brilliantly talented, naturally creative, intelligent, and capable people never reach their potential. And it is quite simply a lack of direction and that they never had a goal in their life. So you need to have a goal. So you need to have personal goals and professional goals. The most important thing to do right now is to take a pen and paper and write down your goals. If you're a techie, take a laptop or a phone and type down your goals. That's the most important thing to do right away. So you need to make a list of 25 personal and 25 professional goals which you want to achieve and write it down. So your personal goals can be buying a new house, getting married by a particular age, traveling the world, buying a bike or a car, saving for your children's education or marriage, etc. And professional goals can be reaching to a certain position in your job, like a manager, CEO, director, or probably just making a certain amount of money or wealth. That might be your ultimate aim. So that would be professional goals. And some people they just might want to start their own business or would like to start a company or a partnership firm or just a neighborhood cafe. Some people might want to become a share trader or an investor or a broker or a consultant or so these are all goals which you can write down. If any of these attract you or you want to be any of these, you need to jot down, or whatever goals which you have in your mind, or when you were a child you wanted to become something and you still want to be that person, you need to jot down all those goals. And you need to write down concrete goals, not vague ones. What I mean by concrete is like, so there are many people who would say, I want to be a millionaire or a billionaire. So these are all vague ideas or vague goals. So there are several ways to achieve this, like to be a millionaire or to be a billionaire. You need to write down that ultimate goal, like probably a business which you would do, and then due to that business you would be a millionaire. So you need to write the name of that business and how you would achieve that ultimate goal. So it can be either a job from where you achieve the goal or from a business. So some would want to build a business empire. So you'll need to write down the ultimate goal as the business empire, and then you need to write down the smaller goals by which you would lead to the ultimate goal. For example, if you want to start a chain of cafes, you need to first start one cafe and then plan on starting cafes one by one until you reach your ultimate aim of having a chain, probably in the district or your locality or in your state or your particular region or your country, but probably multiple countries. So that might be your ultimate aim. So you need to write down the ultimate aim of having your cafe throughout the world, and your small goal, which is to start a cafe at your location or your local area. So by starting one by one, you'll achieve your final and ultimate goal, which is a chain of cafes throughout the world. So that's an example which I gave you. So that is how you create an ultimate goal and create smaller goals which is achievable. You need to have a time schedule for all your goals. So probably like in 1 year I'll achieve this goal of starting one cafe. So you need to write down the small goals, and then probably in the next 5 years I'll have a chain of cafes throughout the country. So this year, next step in the goal for having a nationwide chain of cafes, and the ultimate goal for probably a 10-year period would be to have cafes at multiple locations or multiple countries. So that is how you make your ultimate goal and small goals. So how do you recognize your goals? A lot of people confuse goals with things which you love to do. I think most people say do what you love, but they confuse their hobbies with their talents. Some may like gardening, but they may not want to become a professional gardener. So they might be a probably they might be a talented trader or investor, and they would be better at doing trading or investing. There may be people who like gaming, but they may be a talented public speaker. So even though they are good at gaming, they can become a game tester. But if they try to be a game creator or game coder, unless and until they learn about game coding or designing, they won't be able to do that. So you'll need to upskill yourself uh, to convert your hobby into your profession. um, and I'll add that like some people can turn their hobbies into their business, so it depends if you want that. For example, if you ask me if I love traveling, my answer would be yes. And if someone asks me to work for a travel company, my answer would be no, as I don't want to be a tour guide or probably a video creator for a travel company or a channel, as I prefer enjoying my time while traveling. But many people can do both, like traveling as well as creating videos, as well as working for a company and working as a tour guide. So it's upon their talent, or if they want to learn that skill and convert their hobby into their profession. So if you can combine your hobby and profession, good for you. If you cannot, it's still good. You would have a hobby as well as a profession, both of which you would love to do at the same time. That is your profession separate and your hobby separate. The decision is yours to make. So most people, they work a job they don't like. Like 90% of the people in the world are working wherein they don't like the job or profession they are into. So they invest all their energy into doing the same thing 5 days a week. They feel like they haven't really done anything better with their time. So in fact, this is one of the biggest regrets of those who have never pursued their actual passion, or they wanted something more and they have never done it because they have never set a goal for that. So at the end of your life, you may look back and notice many things you secretly wanted to do but never did. You may even realize that you never asked for what you desired, and never enjoyed a day of at work, and never fully did your best because that was never your goal. So that's a pretty sad way to end this exciting journey called life. But luckily, it's never too late to find your true calling and turn it into something more. So basically, you need to forgive yourself. It's both a spiritual and liberating practice. Let go of all the mistakes from the past and know that they don't shape your future, and you can start anew. So you need to leave your comfort zone right now. This is an exciting and fantastic way to live your life by setting up your goal right now and starting to work on it. So be honest about what you enjoy and what you don't. So some people say if you're not doing it right, you are in the wrong profession. No, if you're not doing it right, then probably change the way you're doing it, or learn new ways of doing it, upskill yourself. And in spite of that, if you don't like, then probably you need to change your profession in that case, and like look at something which would give you more satisfaction. So you need to change or pick up your goal. So the first thing is to write down your goals, as I mentioned earlier. That is the ultimate goal and the small goals to achieve it, and take this action quickly. The person who takes the step first and fast will achieve his goal faster. Do it quickly and plan quick, and start working on it right away. And also plan your next day in advance. So if you plan your next day in advance, you would be much faster in doing or completing your task and achieving your goals. So that's about it. about goal setting. I'll also be making a few videos on how to achieve your goals, the ingredients to achieving your goals. So kindly wait and watch my next videos, upcoming videos. So if you like this video, do click on the like button and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, to let me keep you updated on the best of learning and books. Thanks, and keep learning and keep watching. See ya.